joining me here at Margaret LALIK'S kitchen. I'm Margaret LALIK. Last week I have shared with you how to make Armenian traditional surge. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee is pretty much a frothy coffee. It got its name from the Korean candy that resembled the taste and the texture of crema that we are going to get, the frothy that we are going to get. So let's get started. To start it, we need instant coffee. It could be any brand of instant coffee that you prefer. Today I have Nescafe and also I have Starbucks coffee, Starbucks instant coffee. Whichever one you use, it's going to be the same. It just said whichever taste you prefer, that's the one you use. I'm going to make 4 tablespoons. I need 4 tablespoons of instant coffee. And you usually add equal amount of sugar, but I don't like mine to be too sugary. I'm going to add only 1 tablespoon of sugar to 4 tablespoons of coffee. Today we are going to add hot water. Room temperature will do it too. Also equal amount of water. Then we are going to whip this until we get a stiff peak. This is what we are looking for. We are going to get a stiff peak just like this. Now this is ready. Now we can assemble our coffee. Our Dalgona coffee is ready. This is what we are looking for. It's going to be stiff just like a meringue. We're looking for a stiff peak. So you can make this in advance. You can put it in the refrigerator, and when you're going to serve it, you can just take it out of the refrigerator and serve it. This is not going to deflate it. It will hold its texture for some time. What I did, I have added some ice to my glass. I'm going to add some milk. I'm using almond milk. And I'm going to top it with Dalgona coffee. I'm using a scooper to make it easier to scoop it in. And the result is delicious iced coffee with a frothed creamy topping. I'm adding the Dalgona coffee into my cup. 1 big scoop of it, and I'm adding my milk. And also giving it a good stir. Well, here it is, another cup of delicious coffee. Today we made Dalgona coffee. It's so easy to make, only 5 minutes, and you'll get this delicious Dalgona coffee. Now you learn how to do it. I hope you'll make it at home. I hope you'll enjoy it too. We made iced coffee with that. We also made another coffee in a mug. This is hot coffee too. You can pretty much top any kind of dessert or coffee with this, and it will elevate the taste of your coffee and also your delicious dessert. You can also put this on ice cream. I hope you'll make it, and I hope you'll enjoy it too. Let me taste it. This is delicious. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye bye.